Yeah, absolutely. The day we came here, we spoke about, there's three match and five, so eight matches, and we were like, we will go absolutely hard at them, and no matter what, and we actually going into that direction and really working hard, in our bowling, batting, fielding, actually like fitness wise, everything we are ticking the boxes. And yeah, it really means a lot to us because this is the first time, and hopefully, another one is coming up. So we both are left arm spinners, and we actually, speak every time, in practice sessions, what we have to do on certain pitches, and what kind of deliveries we have to bowl on certain pitches. And I'm really happy for her. She's actually, bowling those crucial overs in power plays and middle overs and then death. She's actually doing so well, and everybody like working so hard, like uh, particularly on certain deliveries, execution part. We are actually working really hard on that, and it's showing us the result. uh, the belief, and the dedication this time is really different. And I don't know about the past, but this time, this team, this atmosphere, magical this is. And we are actually into something. We want to create something big going forward as well. So this is the path we want to go. And still a lot of things we have to correct it. We have that in our minds. And but yeah, like Amanjot said, this is the different team, and we are going to dominate no matter what. We started focusing on, control the controllables, what is in our hand. Like if we are bowling, we have to focus on that, and if we are fielding, we have to focus on those particular balls. And uh, batting wise, we are doing so well, but particularly bowling and fielding sets the tone for us. Batting has been really good, but bowling and fielding we actually touched upon, and it is showing us the result. Yeah. Yeah, absolutely. Because we spoke in the last meeting that we have to cut down the twos, and we actually did that today, and we were really pumped up, to do that. And only the fielding part, I thought, changed the momentum because both the team bowled well, and the fielding part was really great towards us.